How to make one-color blocks on Block Blast. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make one-color blocks in Block Blast. This strategy can be incredibly helpful for clearing the board quickly and achieving high scores. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's dive in. First, open the Block Blast game on your device. Begin with understanding the goal. The goal is to create a situation where all the remaining blocks on the board are the same color. In Game's dashboard, select the Classic Game Mode. Trigger the one-color glitch. This method involves a bit of luck and experimentation. Now, what you need to do is simply restart the game repeatedly by tapping the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Replay button to restart the game. Pay close attention to the initial block arrangement. Try to identify patterns or combinations that might lead to all blocks becoming the same color. If you manage to create a situation where most of the board is one color, use power-ups like color bombs or row column removers to clear the remaining blocks of a different color. This method is not always guaranteed to work. The success of this technique may vary depending on the level and game settings. This method may be considered an exploit by some players. Use it responsibly and at your own discretion. And that's how you can attempt to create one-color blocks in Block Blast. This can be a challenging but rewarding strategy to master. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your own Block Blast strategies. Thanks for watching.